Hi again. Today I'm gonna show you guys real quick how sharp is the blade from the Victorinox Cadet. This is a brand new knife, pocket knife from Victorinox Cadet. As you can see, the knife blade is very sharp. Okay. Compared with my smaller blade, this is from the Leatherman smaller one, pocket knife, Migra. It has been sharpened by my friend. He has this so-called dedicated stone sharpener for knife. You see, very sharp. So another blade from the Leatherman. This is a Leatherman Sidekick. Okay, after sharpened a few times, as you can see, it's not that sharp. You can see the crooked surface. Alright, so I just need to show you, or wish to show you guys, the Victorinox blade. Still the best blade that I have came across. Alright. Alright, thank you. So this is just a show you guys that the blade from the Victorinox or Swiss Army still the best. Thank you.